How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. Let's talk about the iPhone 6s. The beloved iPhone 6s, which many people still using in 2022. As a matter of fact, I just did a video yesterday. I did a comparison video about the cameras actually. So I did a comparison camera video with my iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 6s. Definitely go and watch the video, but before that, make sure you watch this video first. So let's talk about this iPhone, which is the iconic iPhone 6s, which is being released in 2015, and people still using this iPhone. And if I'm honest with you, I still use this iPhone as well, because this is such a classic iPhone from 2015, and this iPhone still works pretty well in my opinion, and some people still using it even now. They don't want to switch, but overall the only problem with the iPhone from 2015-16 is the battery. This is the only issue that I had with this iPhone, but overall it's a great iPhone. Let me show you. The latest version of the iOS is the iOS 15.7. Unfortunately, this iPhone didn't got the iOS 16. I didn't was capable to do that. So if you have an iPhone 6s, iPhone 7, you're not longer supported by Apple. So if you have iPhone 8, you're okay. So you'll be supported at least for one more year, but we'll see that. But it's amazing phone. You can watch videos. This is the video that I did with my iPhone 13 Pro, but it's still great. You can watch videos. As you can see, this is the comparison video that I did. The iPhone 6s is on the left, iPhone 13 Pro is on the right. Really interesting video, make sure you watch it. Also, I did a video comparison as well, but I was amazed that this phone is still capable of really nice photos and also acceptable videos as well. So if you do some videos, still great iPhone. Also, I did another video which you can watch as well, so make sure you do that. But overall, I am happy with my iPhone 6s. Let me know in the comments down below, do you still use the iPhone 6s? How many people using iPhone 6s? Make sure you leave a like and leave a comment. Also, you can play games as well, which is surprisingly very good. And this game is pretty nice in my opinion. And I'll leave it in the descriptions down below if you want to download it. As you can see, this is capable of really nice gaming as well. Obviously, I'm not the best gamer, but it's a really nice phone to play normal games. And actually, we're doing pretty well. But yeah, back in the days, this was amazing phone. I believe this is one of the most popular iPhones since iPhone 6, but iPhone 6s is popular as well. I think I'm doing very well. Let me know what do you think. But yeah, iPhone 6s, one of my favorite iPhones. Also, camera is capable of 4K as well, but I shot 1080p because not many people can do 4K. But let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the iPhone 6s? Are you sad that this phone doesn't get any more updates from Apple, or you move to a different iPhone 8, iPhone 10? Let me know in the comments down below. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. As always, thank you very much for watching. and I'll see you in the next video.